Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to top up your metal Visa card using your Crypto.com app. So let's get started. Alright, so as you know, I'm a big advocate of the Crypto.com app. I've been working together with them for several years now. It's a great app for trading cryptocurrency right on your phone. It's also a great app for checking the latest prices of all your favorite coins. But it does a lot more than just that. Now, what I have in my hand here is the Crypto.com Metal Visa card. It works as a secured credit card. You can load it up with value and then use it to buy things in the real world, anywhere Visa is accepted. You can also take it to an ATM and get cold hard cash whenever you need it. So the trick is learning how to top it up, which means to add value to the card using your Crypto.com account. So hang around, I'm going to show you how to do that. And if you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm here on the Crypto.com website. This is the section which covers the metal Visa cards. It's pretty cool. They have a lot of great functionality. The main thing is it allows you to spend your crypto in the real world. Now I'm going to scroll down just a tad here and look at all these tiers. Now you can get different tiered cards based on the amount of CRO you're willing to stake. As I mentioned, it works like a secured credit card, so you will need to put a deposit down in order to get the card. Now they're not taking this money from you. You'll be able to get it back as whenever you decide you don't want to use the card anymore. In fact, if you don't want to stake any money at all, you can get the Midnight Blue card and you don't have to put any money down to get it. But as you can see, the rewards are not that great, right? So if you want to drop 400 in CRO into your staking, you can get the Ruby Steel card. Or if you want to drop more than that, you can get a higher tier card. As you can see, I have the Indigo card, which gives me 3% cash back on all my purchases. This cashback reward is paid immediately in CRO directly into your Crypto.com account whenever you use the card. Also, you can get rebates on Spotify and Netflix with this tier card. I use my card to pay for my Spotify and Netflix account, and I get 100% rebate directly in CRO back into my account whenever I do that. So there's a lot of cool things you can do with this card, a lot of great features. You can get even more if you have the higher tier cards. And while we're on the subject of card tiers, I should let you know that if you stake a Ruby Steel card or greater, you're going to unlock that $25 bonus that you'll get from my referral link. So I'll put a link to this little blog down in the description below so that you can find out exactly how to unlock that $25 so that you can buy yourself something nice. But what I want to focus on today is just topping up the card. How do you do that? All right, so as you can see here, I'm at the home screen of the Crypto.com app. This is where you start your journey whenever you open up the app. You can see the prices of your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can immediately trade or transfer cryptocurrencies. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and you can deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. It's a great app. But I want to show you how to top up the card. So let's go over to the accounts. Down there at the bottom, I'll just tap on the accounts, and you can see here that I have several cryptocurrencies in my account right now. What if I want to convert those cryptocurrencies directly into spendable cash? Well, it's really easy. What we do is a card top up. Now, in order to do that, we'll just tap card. Over on the right side in the corner, we'll just tap card. Now, I've done top up videos before, and that's been a couple years. And back in those days, you were only allowed to use top up with a couple of different cryptocurrencies. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now there are a lot more cryptocurrencies that you can use to top up your card. So let's tap top up, and you can see there that we can use Ethereum, Bitcoin, US dollar coin, and even Dogecoin. There are also several other cryptocurrencies that you can use to top up your card. So that means that at any point, if you have any of these cryptocurrencies in your account, you'll be able to top up your card with them and convert them directly from crypto into spendable cash on your card. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. The default is $100, but you don't have to use that. You can use less if you want to. So I'm just going to tap there in the edit field and edit the amount. Now that I'm in the edit field, I can type in the amount in dollars that Ethereum is worth. It's worth about $48, right? And as you can see, the amount of Ethereum above the dollar amount gets updated. And at this point, we can hit top up, and you'll see that I'm not getting charged any fees for doing this. We'll confirm that, and there we go. I've just added $48 to my card account. You can see it shows up there in the history. Now let's go ahead and do some Bitcoin. We'll hit top up again. I've got some Bitcoin in my account, and the Bitcoin is worth around $50, so I'll just type in 49 just to make sure it goes through. I'll tap top up. There's no fee, of course. I'll hit confirm, and away it goes, right? And you can see that's also been added to the history, and the amount available for spending on my card has just gone up. Now, you can also use stable coins. If you're holding stable coins in your Crypto.com account, like US dollar coin, you'll notice I have some in there. I can also use that to top up my card. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll just type in the amount there. I'm going to use $50 worth of US dollar coin to top up my card. So converting it from stable coin into spendable cash right on my card. I'll hit top up. There's no fee for that. We'll hit confirm, and there you go. All right, and that goes into the history, and my balance goes up. Now, you can also use Dogecoin. So if you're a Dogecoin trader, holder, seller, stacker, whatever you are, if you like Dogecoin and you've got some in your Crypto.com account, you can use it to top up your card. So we'll hit top up again, and this time I'll use my Dogecoin. I don't have a whole lot in my account, but I'm just doing this as a demo. So I'll just tap top up again. There's no fee for converting my Dogecoin to spendable cash. And there it goes. I've topped up my card. And that goes into history, and you can see there that I have an available balance on my card. Now, like I said, I can take my card into any store that accepts Visa and spend it immediately as soon as I've done these top-ups. And I can also go to an ATM and make cash withdrawals directly, right? So the Crypto.com metal card is an easy, convenient way of converting your crypto directly into spendable cash on your card, so you can go into a store and make a purchase, or go to an ATM and make a withdrawal of cash. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.